So here we are at Big Lots, and I thought we'd take a look at their makeup. All right, guys, so right here we have Colormates, and that's $2.50 for the gel eyeliner. Okay, and that's what this looks like. And then here, so this one is black and this one is brown for $2.50. And then here you have your auto eyeliner for $1. This one here is the felt tip eyeliner. That's $2, guys. Then here is the brow and eyeliner pencils. You get two in the pack for $1. I think that's a good buy. So here's the Brow Stylist by L'Oreal. Okay. Here's the Colormates mascara. Maybe they just brought this out, guys. So here's the Colormates mascara, and there's no price on that either. So here's the Colormates lengthening mascara for $1.80, and the volumizing for $1.80. And here's another brow in the lighter. No, I think it's the same color. $2.50. Here's Revlon matte for $3.50. And look at this, eyeshadow and eyeliner pencil. And here's the pencil sharpener and some eyeshadow. This is really nice, $1.50. Then the Colormates mineral eyeshadow. This is a very nice palette, $2. And I'm liking this palette too for $2 by Colormates. Then you have your lipstick and lip liner, which I think is so nice, 90 cents. So you have this color, then you have this one. This one's called ginger, and this one is called cinnamon, and this one all natural. And what is this? This is called shimmer, cut by Colormates, and again that's 90 cents. Let me come down here. So this one here is light. It's a multi-cream, paraben free. That looks like a foundation stick, $1.20, guys, and this is the colors they have right here. Then you have the blush and the brush. So this is very pretty. This is a little bit darker, and this one's really pretty too. So those guys are $1. Here's the concealer for $1.80, and I believe those two are the same color. Maybe just a hint off. Okay, so this is the pressed powder and the concealer stick. Yep. Isn't that nice for $1.50? And here is another one. I think those are the same color. So actually all of these are the same color. And this says Baby Lips. So it looks like you get 1, 2, 3 sticks in here by Maybelline, and that's $4.50. Then you have these coffee. I love these, the lip balms. This is so sweet. So this is peppermint mocha, and then this one over here is hot cocoa. And how much are these? They're $1. Okay. Then over here you have the Maybelline. This is Great Lash, and this is Great Lash Big, $6.50. And here's a Laffy Taffy, guys. So these don't have a price, but I think those are $1. Then down here, look at this. Before I stand up, guys, so you have over here, okay, this always seems to be here when I come. It's called the Chapstick Total Hydration Lip Scrub, and that's $3. Exfoliates. I think that might be nice. I might try that. So then over here you have the Burgundy Bar by Maybelline, and that's $4, and that palette is beautiful. Then over here says it's by Maybelline, and it's called Fit Me. So this looks like a foundation. It says Set Smooth. It's a powder, and it comes in these colors right here. Okay. So then over here you have the Almay Instant Glow, $3.50. Then you have this Candid, and that is $3.50. So they have all this makeup over here together. I thought I saw NY. This one is Covergirl. Look how beautiful that color is. That's $1.75. Let me see this one. So this one is $2, and I can't read who that's from. So this is Revlon Color Stay. That one didn't have a price, and this one is $2. That's Revlon. And then this one by L'Oreal. That one doesn't have a price. And let me see the lipstick. So this is $2. Here's another Covergirl. That's very pretty. So all of this, guys, is filled with makeup and these baskets. So let's see what else they have. By Physicians Formula. This is $2.50. And those are the colors, guys. I hope you can see them. And that's $2.50. Those are all the same. And this is Master Camo. Okay. And then we have here the Full Spectrum Covergirl. And then we have here by Rimmel. This is $2, that palette. Now look at this palette, guys. $3.50. And this Covergirl one here is $3. So they have these. So then if we come over here, you have this waterproof mascara, Supernatural. That one's $3. Then this one here's the Maybelline Master Camo for $2.50. Then here's the Revlon Vinyl Eyeliner. Let me see, they don't have a price on that. Okay, look at this palette here. So this palette by Maybelline, $7.97. Very rich colors. So this is the Tinted Brow Gel. I don't see a price on that. This one is called Physicians Formula Feather Brow, and that one was reduced to $2.75. So then you have the Almay. That one is $2.75 for the Instant Glow. This is $3.50. So this one's $2.75. This one here is $3.50. This is the Talk Pink to Me. That's so cute. Talk Pink to Me, $2.75. And then this one is $3.50. So now you have, look at these palettes, these little palettes here. This is $2.20. Look at that one. So these are $2.20, guys. And then this Covergirl one here is 50 cents. That was reduced again to 50 cents. So here you have a bronzer for $1. I mean, I think that's a great price. I don't know where you're going to find a bronzer for $1. And that's Covergirl. So these are all where you have your lip glosses and lipsticks. Then over here, you have $3 for Almay Make Them Jelly Illuminator. And then this one is also an illuminator. That's $3. And what is this? This is Photo Ready by Revlon, and that is $3.50. And here's some more palettes for $2.20. Then here you have your powder brush, Elite Essentials, $8. The brush, the facial brush. Then here, this is by Almay. This is $1.80. And this is 75 cents. The Shadow Squad. That's what these are called. Look at that purple. I like that purple. That's 75 cents. So a lot of these are reduced twice. And these are 75 cents, and they go all the way to the end here. So let's see. This is by Almay, $3.25, and this is for the brow. And then this one here, Full Spectrum Covergirl, $3. Oh, these are $2.80 for the vinyl eyeliner. And here's the Revlon liquid eyeliner, and I don't see a price on those. So these here also Revlon, they're $3.80, and these come in colors. So this one's called Sapphire, and this one's called Jade. And here is the Revlon Mascara for $3.50, and this one is Maybelline Baby Lips for $2. Then here's Revlon, $3.50 for the mousse. And here is the Lashed, $2.50. Soft Lips, that's $3. And here's, what is that called? Aquaphor? I don't see a price on that. Here is the eyeliner. Yep, the eyeliner in blue, $2.80. Then you have the soft lips over here. Those are $3. The chapsticks are 70 cents. The Vaseline ones are $1.20. And here's some more liquid eyeliner, and this one is in the brown. Okay, here's some more Revlon liquid eyeliner, and that's $3.50. And look at this mac and cheese flavor. Wow, that sounds weird. There's no price on that one. This one here, Bliss Text, $2.50. And here's some nail colors in the nude, but there's no price on these. Okay, so then you have some nail files. What are these? So this is a mascara kit for $8. And then you have these palettes. Oh, look at this one. Isn't this pretty, guys? Urban Lights. I'm loving those colors. Beautiful. So these, I don't see a price on. Then you have these are $2.50, and then these right here are 50 cents each. Aren't they pretty, guys? Look at those colors. They're so nice. And this says color change, color charge. And there's no price on those. Okay, so then we get into their nail polish, guys. And those are $2 a piece. So here is the GNP for $1.80. This is top coat or strengthening. This is for strengthening, and these are the nail clippers, $1. Here are the nail files. You get 30 of them in there for $1.50. And then these are the tweezers, $1.50. Okay, and look at this. They sell this at Dollar Tree for $1. This is the blemish remover, I think that is. Here it's $5. And then here's the manicure set for $1.80. And then they have this one here, the manicure kit for $2. And here you have some nail buffers. These are $1.50. These here, these nail files are $1. And these are the pore scrubbers, silicone, $2.20. And this is the lash curler for $2. So then you have some big files here. These are for pedicures, and these are for pedicures too, and they're $2.50. And then look, I like these. There's 75 pieces of these beauty sponges. But I don't see a oh yeah, there is $4.50. I think that's worth it. There's only one bag left. That's nice. So here's some cosmetic sponges for $1.50, and here are these, the triangle ones. And then these are concealer brushes. This one here is $4.50, and this one here is $2.20, and that one back there is $2.50. So here are the e.l.f. brushes, guys. These are $3. This one here is $3, and this one here, and then the smaller one is the concealer brush. That one is $2. So here you have your Q-tips, your cotton pads, and your cotton balls, and along the bottom your nail polish remover, and then some organizational stuff. Over here you have some lotions, guys. So thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out their makeup, and I will see you guys in the next video.